All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and install the shocks that we assembled in a previous video. It's still the original shocks. No upgrades or anything have been made. This is still part of our learning to build the car, understanding the car as a beginner and what you're dealing with out of the box and some of the options that you might have. Now, we know that there are no extra springs in the box. They didn't just send you a hookup of performance parts straight out of the box. Now, that being said, the silver shocks or the silver springs are a bit bouncy. We mentioned that in the last video. The soft and medium springs out of the Tamiya hop-up spring kits, those are the ones that I happen to use the most. I would recommend getting those at some point as an upgrade. And with that, you can even keep these plastic struts. So you won't actually need to upgrade to the oil filled ones just yet. Now, if you do want to upgrade to those, you can, but for the purpose of this video, we're just going to stick with the beginner of the springs you have and the very next step, which would be getting the aftermarket springs. Now, while you're installing these on your shock towers, you're going to notice that there's two sets of holes. So when I build these as kits, or for anything really, even my own car, I still start with standing the rear struts up on the outermost holes, and on the front, you usually lay them in, so the lower holes. There's only two adjustments, two spots that can be adjusted. So you'll see there's an outer hole and a more inward hole that will stand the struts in or up. Now, why is that important? It's important because as you learn to drive the car and as you learn tuning capabilities, you can use that to your advantage later on to be able to get the car to behave slightly different or more in your favor for the characteristics that you like to have while you're behind the wheel. Now, the shocks have a lot of play in them. They do have a little bit of side-to-side motion, but for just starting out, just focus on getting around the track consistently and it will improve your performance on the track.